Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at hosting providers and a whole lot of things about them. Thank you for coming back to watch our video tutorial, and today we'll be looking at what is a hosting provider, what a hosting provider is, and then looking at choosing a hosting provider. I'm going to be showing us my top 3 hosting providers, and then we are going to be searching for a domain name in this particular tutorial. Please stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please endeavor to subscribe to our channel, because we bring educating content in this channel. WordPress with Newman, we learn digital skills, especially website design, website creation using content management system. In this site, we design a whole lot of website, like blogging website, music website, school platforms, and a whole lot of other websites that we design. We learn how to do them so that we can do it and make money for ourselves and increase our brand and do a whole lot of things for ourselves. So welcome to today's video. Now, what is a hosting provider? A hosting provider is an online server that allows us to we hand over our website to them for them to carry it and show it to the entire world. So if you're able to access any website anywhere you are, facebook.com, instagram.com, and Alibaba, and a whole lot of other websites that you are able to access, is because there is a hosting provider, a server that is hosting that particular website online, so that people can access it wherever they are online. So that's one of the things we are going to be looking at today, how we can access this and a lot of things. So number one hosting provider I have, which I'm going to show us, is Hostingercom. Hostingercom is one of the top world hosting services. Their service is very affordable, and the service is also very reliable. When you host your website with this, they have 3 basic plans, and all of these these plans have monthly subscriptions, and they have a whole lot of features which you can get as a customer to any of the services in this particular hosting service. So Hostinger is one of the top world hosting services. Their hosting is very cool. It is very reliable and affordable. In the basic plans that they have, you have 3 basic plans. You have that of $2.9 dollars per month with 2 months free subscription. You have that of $3.99 per month. You have that of $9.99 per month. All of these things they have different features that they offer, but what you actually want to use your site for is the one that determines which one to buy. As the basic plan, $2.99, it comes along with 2 months free subscription, then 100 websites. You can actually host up to 100 websites in this one hosting service. And the other one we have, it also come along with 10 GB storage, 100 GB storage, sorry. In other words, a whole lot of storage that you can post a whole lot of things on your site. It comes with weekly backups. It comes with free SSL. All these things are what you actually need to build a site. So if I'm to it it depends on what you are actually building, but the first plan should serve you, because you don't intend to for now going to building 100 websites, except if you are starting a web designing firm, and then you want to do it like that. So the other one, $3.99, you actually have 100 the ability to host 100 different websites. You also have 200 GB storage. You have weekly backups, free SSL, and many other features that is attached to it. The $99.99, you have a 300 websites which you can host in this particular hosting. So we actually call them a add-on domain. You can actually buy up to 300 domains and host it in one single host. So that's one thing I like Hostinger for. Hostinger is very broad and cheap. It gives us a whole lot of storage. It gives us a whole lot of add-on domain to use. It gives us even 2 months free subscriptions for any of the packages that we purchase. So that's one thing about Hostinger, and a whole lot of other. So the customer service is also very cool. You can email the customer service each time you have a challenge, and they are going to inbox you ASAP, and you guys will relate to each other and share all this. So you can actually use Hosting. The next I have on the board is Bluehost.com. Bluehost.com is another very powerful hosting service that allows you, as you can see on the screen, so that the Bluehost understood WordPress made easy. So you can use WordPress here, and the services is very fun. You just like the Hostinger. The differences are the prices and some other features due to the competition in the market. So Bluehost is in number 2 on my list here, and Bluehost has 4 hosting packages for all the clients, and today we are going to be also looking at the packages. Number 1 they call a basic plan, and the basic plan comes with $2.95 per month. The next one is choice plan. The choice plan comes with $5.45 per month. The next one is online store. The online store comes with $9.95 per month, and then the next one is pro version. So we are going to looking at the services that are available in each of these plans. So we are going to have the basic plans. Only one website is what we can host in the basic plan, as in contradiction with Hostinger, where you can actually host up to 100 websites in their basic plan. So we also have 10 GB storage. Bluehost is only giving us a 10 GB storage for the basic plan, and then a 1-year free domain that is also applicable. The choice plan has 3 websites, only availability for 3 websites that we can host, and then 40 GB storage, and then a free domain name for 1 good year. We also have the next plan called the online store. The online store gives us 3 add-on domain opportunities, and then 40 GB storage space and 1 year free domain. We have the pro version. The pro service gives us 3 websites, and then 100 GB storage, and then also have 1 year free subscription. So but in this Hostinger, you can see the Hostinger has a bigger plan for the customer to compare with Bluehost, but nevertheless both of them gives us the same quality services. It depends on the one that catches your fancy. I recommend both of them for designing any WordPress website or hosting any website, because the services are very reliable. The customer services are also very fast and reliable. And nevertheless, Hostinger gives us a large more opportunity to explore the web the way we want, and they do a whole lot of other things in this place. Okay, so that's it for Bluehost, and then for Hostinger.com. So we are going to go straight to another very cool hosting service, and this time around we are going into GoDaddy. GoDaddy is very reliable as well. These are my top 3 hosting companies that is very reliable. I don't know why this screen is taking too long. Okay, I think okay, it have popped out. So GoDaddy is also a very reliable company that offers us a hosting service. Their hosting service and hosting network is very reliable as well. It depends on the one that catches your fancy, the one that you can afford their service, and then you can go for them. Remember that we said that these hosting companies, what they do is that they help to take our website away from a local server to take it online for people to be able to access our website wherever they are. The aim or the reason for which you are building a website is for people to view our site, to view our services, to see the things that we do, to patronize us, and a whole lot of other public reasons why we build our site. But when we are building, when we are developing our site, we develop our site in a local servers in our computer, after which we are going to upload it to hosting companies to carry our website file for us so that people all over the world can be able to access. So GoDaddy has these packages on the screen for all the customers. These packages on the screens is what they have for all their customers. I do recommend GoDaddy if you want to use GoDaddy for your site. So this is okay. On this note, you are going to be looking at searching for a domain name. Once you log into any of your choosing hosting providers, as we have on the screen, we have been reviewing, you just have to go direct to the search environment, and any website you want to build, any domain you want to acquire, you write the domain name on the search environment in your screen. So I would deciding to write this on now, and then I'm going to select if it is .com or whatsoever. And mind you, I'm doing this in the Bluehost environment, so I will select if it is .com or whatsoever, facebook.com. Then I will search for it if it's going to be available. So if it's available, that means nobody on earth is using this current service. So but if it is not available, that simply means that someone is already using this service. So this time around now is coming up, and then let's know if facebook.com is available for us to purchase it, and then we are going to know the cost. We are going to know the features that are also we are being told that facebook.com is not available. So the rest in this place are the suggestions that they are giving us. If we want to use Facebook, they are giving us these suggestions, and then for us to know if we like them, if we want to use them. But quickly, I think let's go and search for another domain name. Remember, the domain name is the name that people are going to type in the search engine, or rather in the HTTPS environment to get to your website. So we're going to be searching for another domain name since facebook.com is not available, and now we are going to be writing another domain name. Okay, so after which we are going to click on search and know what's actually going to happen this time around. So if it is available, we are going to receive a congratulatory message telling us it's available, telling us to add it to our cart, and telling us also the price that it is being sold for. So you can see here emebooks.com, which is what I searched. I say it is available. In other words, I can purchase it. I say add to cart. If I want to add to cart, that means I want to purchase another services. But if I don't want to purchase another services, I can go straight forward there and then do my payments using any payment method available. I think you can pay with your Bitcoin, you can pay with your card, you can pay with different payment services. So as you can see in this place where I put a blue blue lines. There are two services they wanted to give me, and for that reason the cost increased, but I'm going to cancel it, and then I'm going to leave only my email.com, which is the domain that I want. So they are telling me about a privacy policy that, they are marketing their another service which they have, but this time around I don't want it, so I'm going to cancel it so as to reduce the cost for myself. So I'm going to cancel it here and then go ahead and so that is how to search for a domain name in your hosting plan. Please thank you for watching our video. I would love if you subscribe to our service. We promise to keep bringing to you a variable and a more improved video and more improved services. Remember, in this channel, WordPress with Me Man, we share variable content, we share digital skills, we share a whole lot of things that is going to help us to make more money online building websites.